Good morning, dear students, and welcome after the vacation. How was your vacation? Enjoyed Christmas? Very good. Now be prepared for our studies as we are going to have our final exams. Final exams are approaching near. So, without wasting time, let's get back to our studies. Okay? We have finished with our English portion. So, from today onwards, you'll get grammar videos as 30% portion is deducted. So English we have deducted. Now your portion is still block 18 of English. But grammar, as it's a base of English, we are not going to deduct any topic from grammar. So you have all the topics for grammar. So from today onwards, all the remaining blocks of grammar videos will come. And during our online session, we'll have our English revision as well as grammar revision. So take out your grammar books. Lesson number 8, articles and demonstratives. Okay, ready children? Okay. What are articles and demonstrative? Words used with naming word. The word which are used with naming word are called articles and demonstrative. For example, see here the picture. Sam and Molly go to the zoo. Look at what they see and what they say. What they are seeing and what they are talking about. We are going to see. These are all articles and demonstrative. This is a giraffe. I can feed it. Can you see the red word this? It's marked in a red box. This is a giraffe. I can feed it. And see the next word again. These are giraffes. Look how close they are. Here there is only one giraffe, so this. But in the next picture you can see there are more than one. So for them we'll use these. These are giraffes. Look how close they are. Both the words pronounce same but the spelling is different. This this and these these. We use this to talk about one person, place, thing, or animal that is near us. For more than one, we use these. See the next picture. That is an elephant. It is far away. And see in the next picture, those are elephants. One which is far away, that. If we are talking about one, we'll use that. And more than one, those. Can you see the difference? It's same, but just near and far. If it's near, this, these. And if they are far, that, those. We use that to talk about one person, place, thing, or animal that is far away. Or more than one, we use those. In this picture, you can see giraffe is closer to the boy, near to the boy. So he has used this. And more than one, they are also close, they are also near. So these. But in the next picture, you can see there is one elephant which is far away from the girl. So what should be used? That. And more than one, which are far away, those. Yes, very good. Now we understood how we are going to use the words when there is one or more than one, that is person, place, thing or animal, and the thing which is far away from us and which is one or more than one. We also use a or an to talk about one person, place, thing or animal. We say a giraffe, but an elephant. We use an before words starting with A, E, I, O, U. For example, an uncle, an egg, an ox. Understood? For some we use a and for some we use an. But when we use an, the words which start with A, E, I, O, U. For these words we use an. So learn this and remember, keep in mind when we are going to use an and when we are going to use a. So this is a very very simple lesson of article and demonstrative. So have you understood this? For closer, the thing which are close, the thing which are far, or when to use a and when to use an. You have some practice questions also here. This PDF also I'm going to send you. Write down the answers and start memorizing it, start learning it. Okay. And soon we'll meet with our online class. Okay, children. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.